When your Onkyo subwoofer isn't working, start with the basics. First, verify the power connection is secure and the subwoofer is plugged into a working electrical outlet. Check that the power switch is in the on position. The LED indicator on your subwoofer should glow green when properly powered on. If the light is red or off, there may be a power issue. Next, verify your RCA cable connections. The cable should be securely connected to both the subwoofer input and your receiver subwoofer output, which is typically labeled LFE or sub-out. If connections appear secure but the subwoofer still isn't working, try using a different RCA cable. Cable failure is a common cause of subwoofer problems and is easy to rule out with a cable swap. Now check your receiver settings. Access the setup menu and ensure the subwoofer setting is enabled or set to yes. This is often found in the speaker configuration section. Adjust the crossover frequency to around 80 Hz. This setting determines which frequencies are sent to your subwoofer versus your main speakers. In your AVR speaker setup menu, set your front, center, and surround speakers to small. This ensures low frequencies are properly redirected to the subwoofer. Finally, rerun your automatic calibration setup, such as Odyssey. This will optimize the subwoofer levels and integration with your other speakers. After completing these basic troubleshooting steps, your Onkyo subwoofer should be working properly. When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, we need advanced diagnostic techniques. The first test is the RCA buzz test to verify your subwoofer is actually functioning. Disconnect the RCA cable from your receiver while keeping it connected to the subwoofer. Then briefly touch the tip of the RCA connector with your finger. If you hear a buzzing sound from the subwoofer, it means the subwoofer is working properly. If the buzz test confirms your subwoofer works but you still have issues, the next step is performing a factory reset on your Onkyo receiver. This clears any incorrect settings that might be causing problems. To factory reset your Onkyo receiver, turn it off completely, then hold the setup button while powering it back on. Follow the on-screen prompts and remember you'll need to reconfigure all your settings afterward. Some Onkyo and Pioneer receivers with Dirac Live have a known bug where the subwoofer level gets set too low after calibration. Here's how to work around this issue using an SPL meter. The solution is to use an SPL meter before running Dirac Live. Set your subwoofer level equal to your loudest speaker using the SPL meter, then run the Dirac calibration. This prevents the bug from setting the subwoofer too low. Hardware problems can also cause subwoofer issues. Flickering lights or unusual cricket-like sounds from your subwoofer often indicate capacitor problems on the circuit board. Look for warning signs like flickering lights, unusual sounds, or intermittent power issues. Bulging or leaking capacitors on the circuit board require professional repair or replacement of the subwoofer. Finally, if you're using your TV's ARC connection, this might be the source of your subwoofer problems. ARC connections sometimes don't properly pass through the low-frequency effects channel. The solution is to connect your devices directly to the Onkyo receiver instead of using the TV's ARC connection. This ensures the low-frequency effects signal reaches your subwoofer properly.